So that last part was all about students making creative choices, which I thought they did a very nice job of choosing those things. Let's hear from the soloists. So this is the actual choral kind of concert part. So again, when the director's hands are up, please don't clap. There's places in a couple of songs where you might clap too soon. We are making a recording of a couple of them. So I want to thank Mr. Randall, who has been absolutely amazing for us. He's playing piano for me today, but you don't know all the stuff he does for the middle school program. He led our large group festival. He led just honors choir. He does so much for our district. It's amazing what he does for us. He is essential to me. I couldn't have done my job if it wasn't for Mr. Randall helping out. So give him a round of applause.
Sid Bella.
Education Foundation. I'm trying to get all those words right. They gave us a grant earlier this year to have a composition contest for composers around the world to write music for these kids. And then in some of the classes, we're working on learning to write our own music, somewhat related to what they're doing with this. They're going to get to talk to the composers after the concert and discuss how they liked the music, what they did, things that the composer did with the songs. So it's really an opportunity for the kids to work with an actual composer that wrote music for them. It's pretty awesome. So both of the pieces, the rules of the contest were they had to write pieces that were related to how technology affects children's lives. And both of them chose texts that have to do with kind of how the pandemic worked and how that has influenced children and their use of technology within that. So both pieces have notes from the composer that we're going to read first. The first one is just the composer's notes, and then we'll sing Think of All the Beauty. That's it. All right, go ahead. Read the first one.
My students are still somewhat of a zombie stuffer post-quarantine. They hide behind the screens, and so many of them are so unhappy, anxious, and disconnected, etc. However, one of those believes their phones causes these problems, but I am one who believes we as educators have to help them realize that balance and perspective are everything. Look around, see the beauty, and be happy. Composer Christopher Russ.
Mr. Randall is helping me make the point that we can't go on without him. Brad, you're playing on these areas. He even tells me, oh, we can't sing this without you. So he's here. Woo!